What's up, folks? Science Morning Update. January 31st, last day of the month, so we'll kind of look for maybe a whole peg here on SPX, maybe 4,000 or 4050 or 4,100 in an extreme case. But I've shaded kind of that value area that has been either support or resistance. As of now, we are below it. If we open up below it, I would consider that fairly bearish. Over under today is actually 4040, which has been the magnet for ES for quite a while. A lot of opening closings in this area, so this is very important. We get back above that today. I'm looking at really that 65 area, 67, and then we could look at the 77 to 80. And then you kind of have that 86 up there, and then you have that peak of 4100. Above that, probably 4120 and 4150, and then clean up from a 4180. Although I don't see that today. We'll see if there's any fuckery that goes on before the Fed day tomorrow. Sometimes they will set the market up for positioning, maybe towards the end of the day. So if they dump it today, maybe it's going to be favorable Fed decision tomorrow. And so it could happen today, or they could wait till tomorrow and pump before the Fed or drop it before the Fed. So keep your eyes out on, shenanigans. 4,006 is still a very important level. As you can see, the overnight low is 07. So they did defend that. I would watch that with a keen eye. We get below that, 3987 is my next level. Then we get into this 60 level. So the 50 or the 200 and the 50, everyone's waiting for that little cross, are only two points away now. So we're looking at that's going to be a huge level. So if we come down, I would expect that to be supported. 3970 or 3969 is your POC on the yearly volume here. So this is going to be an important area too. We lose that, then you're looking at 39.25, maybe a 39.5, then 39.25. But I would watch that. I don't know. I don't see Relvol is 125. It's kind of high. A lot of earnings came out. Exxon, Pfizer, both of those kind of missed. And then anyway, but Dow had rebounded. So has the ES since those earnings have posted. So maybe they're looking in favorable action. Here's your PO or pivots today. 4050, 4074, 4108. I really like that R2, and 4130. 3961. There's your S3. That's been on point for a lot, and 3995, 4017. So I like these a lot, especially that S3. Anyway, so keep an eye on the pivots. They've always done well. Here's your daily. We have popped up. Now we're going to start coming, if we come back down, then we get back down below that trend line, and then we start flirting with that 200. I don't know. At this juncture, I'd almost look at that trend line as support, which is going to be, again, your 0402 area, which is just below that 06. So maybe they'd take the 06 below it, hit the trend line, bounce back up. I don't know. I'm not on, I'm trying not to have any bias here. You could put a trend line here too as well, but this is kind of my indicator here for the weekly. So we could still get back up. That's still up at 41.55, so that's a level I'm watching. Euro to down today, slim, was down more. Is this turning over? I don't know. The resilience of this currency baffles me, but at some point this will break. We did leave a cash gap yesterday from 40.63 to 40.70, so keep in mind that that's there. And then here's your trend line is, just about 39.78, and then you have your 50 and 200 day down here. So again, I don't know. Yesterday was really hard, a lot of fake outs, and then to a trend lower. It hurt a few people, so just keep in mind that we could have another day like that today until we really start getting information out. Tuesday, January 11th. So we have, I don't think any of these are gonna, home price index might, if the number's way off, it could, if it's high, we could dump that, but I don't know if anything is really market moving. Wednesday is obviously your big day. You got your Fed fund. rate, S&P, PMI, lot coming in. So the next few days are going to be crazy. So again, Monday and Tuesday is just kind of setting up for that. So I don't know where we go. I don't know if we go higher or lower. Anything can push this any which way. So just, stay nimble and trade the day. Anyway, I will be in and out all day. And please see profit, take profit. Don't hang around in your trades.